Hello everyone and welcome back. Our lesson today is 3C pronunciation, speak, research, write and present. Today we have three objectives. 1. Identify the difference between the sounds th and the. 2. Talk about your country using a fact card. 3. Create a poster about your country and write about it. Today we will use the student book. So open the student book and turn to page 41. Let's start with activity 3, pronunciation. Let's listen to the audio together and tell the difference between the two sounds.
3. Pronunciation. A. Listen and repeat. What's the difference between A and B? A. South. B. Weather.
So in the first word, south, we have the sound th, and in the second word, weather, we have the sound the. Now let's have more examples in exercise B.
B. Listen and tick the sound you hear. Than. Earth. Thousand. Month. Together. Third. Another.
So, did you tick the correct sound? Let's check it out. Let's start with the first word, than. What is the correct sound? That's correct. It's the. How about the second word, earth? What is the correct sound? That's perfect. It's th. How about thousand? That's correct. It's th. How about the word month? What is the correct sound? That's correct. It's th. How about the word together? What is the correct sound? That's correct. It's the. How about the word third? What is the correct sound? That's correct. It's th. How about the last word, another? What is the correct sound? That's perfect. It's the. Well done, everyone. Let's move to activity 4. Speak. Go to the speaking activities section on pages 62 and 63. A. Look up the information needed to complete the fact file about your country. Then answer student B's questions. Now let's check the fact file, then learn how to make questions. Let's start with the fact file. We have name of the country, the flag, the capital, population, official language, highest mountain, largest desert. Now let's start with the name of the country. For example, let's talk about Qatar. And this is the flag of Qatar. Now, about the capital of Qatar, that's correct. It's Doha. Now, how about the population in Qatar? Well done. It's 2,795,484. Now, let's move to the official language in Qatar. That's correct. It's Arabic language. Now, how about the highest mountain in Qatar? And this is a tricky question. Well done. We don't have mountains in Qatar, but we have different peaks, and one of the highest peaks in Qatar is considered Tuer al-Hmer. Now, how about the largest desert in Qatar? Also, it's a tricky question. That's correct. We have different deserts in Qatar, and for example, we have sea line sand dunes. Well done. Now, let's move to the questions. Now, how to ask about the name of the country? Well done. We usually say, what is the name of the country? Now, let's move to the capital. How do we ask about the capital of the country? That's correct. We say, what is the capital of Qatar? And you can use any other country's name. How about the population? That's correct. What is the population of Qatar? How about the official language? How do we make a question? Well done. What is the official language in Qatar, like this example? How about the highest mountain? Well done. What is the highest mountain? Now, to the final question, the largest desert. That's correct. What is the largest desert in Qatar, like this example? Now, this is how to make questions, and you expect student B to ask you these kind of questions. Well done. Let's move to exercise B. Ask student B questions about his or her country to complete the fact file. Now, let's give student B the chance to fill in the fact file about his country. And in this case, in this example, the country is Lebanon. Now, how does the flag of Lebanon look like? That's correct. This is the flag of Lebanon. Now, let's move to the capital. That's correct. The capital is Beirut. How about the population? Well, the population is 6,859,408. How about the official language? That's correct. It is also Arabic. Now, how about the highest mountain? That's correct. In Lebanon, we have different mountains, and the highest mountain in Lebanon is considered as Qarnat al-Sawda. Now, how about the largest desert? Well, in Lebanon, we don't have many deserts, but the largest area with sands and sand dunes, it is considered as Ras Baalbek semi-desert. That's correct. Now, let's ask the questions about Lebanon. Now, let's start with the capital. How to ask about the capital of Lebanon? That's correct. Similar to the way that we asked about Qatar. So, what is the capital of Lebanon? The population. What is the population of Lebanon? The official language. What is the official language? The highest mountain. What is the highest mountain? And finally, what is the largest desert? Now, this is how we ask about the fact file. Now, it's your turn to practice. Use the examples to talk to a friend or a family member to practice. Now, this is the fact file. You can ask your friend or a family member to complete this fact file, and then you can practice using the questions. For example, let's remember the capital, how to ask about the capital. What is the capital of? What is the population of? And the official language, we can ask, what is the official language? And the highest mountain, what is the highest mountain? And the largest desert, what is the largest desert? And also you can add as many questions as you want and ask about any information you are interested in. Let's move to activity 5. Research. Write and present. Exercise A. Choose a country and find information about it to create a fact file similar to the one about Peru. You can add extra information to your fact file. For example, official language, important cities. Now, let's talk about Qatar. Where is Qatar? In which continent? That's perfect. It's in Asia. Now, how about the population? We already mentioned this information before. It's 2,795,484. The capital, it's also Doha. Longest river, well, we don't have rivers in Qatar. No rivers. How about the highest mountain? This is what we mentioned before. Tuer Lahmir. How about the closest ocean? Well, the closest ocean is Indian Ocean or the Indian Ocean. How about the main tourist attractions in Qatar? Well, we have different attractions in Qatar. We have the Corniche, we have different museums, there's Qatar Village and Souq Waqif. Let's move to exercise B. Make a poster. Write a few sentences about the country you chose using the information in your fact file. Find pictures, a map, and the flag of the country too. Now, let's pay attention to the project skills at the end of the student book on page 73. Now, we have 6 steps to complete the project. We have brainstorm, plan, research, create, proofread, then present. Now, let's use the fact file to write some sentences about Qatar to help us complete the project. 1. Qatar is in the continent of Asia. 2. The population of Qatar is about 2,795,484. 3. The capital of Qatar is Doha. 4. Qatar has no rivers, but there are different peaks in Qatar, like Tuer Lahmir. 5. The closest ocean to Qatar is the Indian Ocean. 6. There are many places of attractions in Qatar, like the Corniche, museums, Qatar Cultural Village, and Souq Waqif. Let's move to exercise C. Present your poster to the class. Now, presentation is the final step in the project, and it is as important as any other step. Now, we have to collect some pictures and photos about the country that you are presenting, and in our case, it is Qatar. Now, all of us, we are proud to be in Qatar. We can use the picture of the Corniche. We can use the picture of the ancient sites in Qatar. We can use the pictures of Fanar. And this is the map of Qatar. And also this is the map of the metro. You can combine these pictures and use it to make a proper presentation. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.